first buy call would come from Oakstar Berhad. So if you look at the chart over here, it has been in a primary downtrend since August 2024 high. However, if you look at the chart over here, the primary downtrend might have bottomed out here, as it has just not just completed its rounding base pattern, but it also made a breakout, managed to close above the pattern with high volume yesterday. So you could see not only it closed above the rounding base pattern, but it also managed to sustain its position above its 200-day EMA line. However, you could see the blue line over here, which is the 21-day EMA line, is still below the 50-day EMA line, which means that the primary downtrend might resume. So in order to confirm that the reversal is fully intact, the 21-day EMA has to cross above the 50-day EMA line, in which we believe this situation could materialize given that the RSI also has made a high low structure, and also the MACD is nearing its positive reading, which means that bullish momentum could remain elevated and might test our next technical target at 0.530. Next, we have a technical buy call on Anju Resources Berhad. So if you look at the chart over here, it has been in a intermediate downtrend from its May 2025 high. However, it has built a sideways range, and yesterday it has almost completed its double bottom pattern with increased volume. You can see a spike in trading volume over here. And also, price managed to close above its 50-day EMA line, which is the orange line over here. So this could mean that its previous decline might have bottomed out as well. And if price could actually break above this pattern over here, currently the neckline pattern is currently right around 0.690. So if price could actually continue its bullish momentum, given that it has risen for 2 consecutive days, and if price could actually close above 0.690, this would confirm a bullish reversal breakout and might test our next resistance at 0.740, given that the RSI has now risen above the 50 level, which means that bullish momentum is getting stronger. And lastly, we have a technical buy call on Skyworld Development Berhad. So if you look at the chart over here, it's the other way around. If Anju Resources completed its double bottom pattern, for Skyward Development, it has just completed a bullish pattern as well, which is a cup handle pattern. So you could see this is its cup over here. And yesterday, because due to yesterday's advance, you can see price has just closed right around its neckline pattern at 0.480. However, this has not yet confirmed that the bullish sentiment has returned, given that it remains below the 200-day EMA line. So if price could actually close above the cup handle pattern today, this could confirm a bullish breakout as it will return back above its moving average line. We believe that momentum is leaning more towards the bullish side despite its sideways range, given that the 21-day EMA line has just crossed above the 50-day EMA line, which means that the sideways range is leaning more towards bullish momentum. And if you look at both of these indicators, which are the MACD reading and also the DMI, the MACD is continuing to slope upward above the positive reading, while the DMI through the DI reading, so you can see the blue line over here, which is the DI price, has also made a fresh update, which means that the sentiment now is currently tittling more towards the bullish sentiment. And if price could actually close above the 200-day EMA, it might test our next technical target at 0.515.